Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern and central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Gilbert's to near Sandwich, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Carpentersville, Barrington Hills, and East Dundee around 10:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Waconda, Barrington, Island Lake, Inverness, Lake Barrington, Fox River Grove, Port Barrington, and Tower Lakes around 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Aurora, Naperville, Palatine, Lake Zurich, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Hawthorne Woods, Kildare, Channel Lake, and Forest Lake around 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Hoffman Estates, Carpentersville, Barrington Hills, and East Dundee around 10:50 p.m.